Alright, so today we are getting something done on the Evo called Paintless Dent Repair. And basically, I've had a couple dents in it just from daily driving it so much that we're going to get taken out today. I've got a guy coming named Brice Kelly from Central Florida Dent Repair. And maybe he'll let me film some of it, but if not, let's show you what it looks like right now so that I can do an after photo. So you see that little bit of a wave there? Kind of in the center of the screen, below the mirror. That's a little crease that I've had. Then further down, you can kind of see, there it is, little ding. They're not that noticeable, but I think since I want to do some stuff to the exterior, this is also one of the things I want to have done is remove some of the dents. There's a couple small little spots that I might ask him to look at too, but this is the worst of it, which is not that bad. So we're going to get that fixed today. Here's what it looks like now. You can see the reflections. And we're going to get those fixed. Okay, and here's the other small one that I'm hoping maybe he'll work on. You can kind of see the reflection. It's in the center of the screen. It's just very tiny little ding. Hopefully he can take that one out too. None of this should be difficult for him. I'll link you to some of his videos. He's done some pretty impressive work, so I have a feeling this is going to come out pretty darn good. So in this shot I wanted to show you the dent a little bit better because he had a special light that reflected onto the panel and kind of gives you a better view of what the dent looks like. Now this shot is him actually pushing the lower dent out, the smaller one, and I kind of wanted to show you how it just slowly disappears. If you watch the reflection, you can see the panel's flexing as he's pushing it out from the inside, and eventually you just can't really see it. So now you can see that the dent is pretty much gone, and he's just going to do some fine tuning with the hammer in a moment, which you'll see shortly. So at this point he's pretty much finished. He's just kind of checking it. He spent a lot of time and it looks really good, as you can see in this shot where he's kind of done this one panel. Now he's going to go move over to the other side and take out some of the dings. One of the things I found really interesting is that he finds little access holes in the door to kind of go through and snake his tools in there and get the dent from the backside, which is very interesting because he was kind of explaining to me that he had done this for so long that the tools are kind of like an extension of his hand, and since he can't really see where they are inside the door panel, he kind of has to feel it out. So you can see right here he's actually going through the hole where the screw for the door handle is, and he's got a tool in there and he's working out some of the dents, which is really neat. Alright, so we just got done with the paintless dent repair. It came out great. I am just amazed. I cannot see where the dent was anymore at all. This guy has some skills. So that's pretty much it. He took out this dent really well, and then we found a couple more on the other side, which you're not going to be able to see either, but worked on this area as well. And there was a couple small minor ones that were above the door handle. He got them out too. I mean, it just looks brand new again. So thanks for tuning in. Bye.